Hi, I'm Paul Sanneman, founder of Contractor Staffing Source. I think we're the largest recruiter that specifically, I can say that specializes in construction. We've hired over 1,000 people. We've gone over 200,000 resumes. In that process, I've learned a lot. So I'm going to tell you the best practices as an HVAC person to make sure you get good people. We've hired a lot of HVAC people. We've done a great job. You can do the same thing if you want to take the time. First, write a great job ad. You can do that with ChatGPT. Just put, I'm an HVAC company and I'm in, Toledo, Ohio. I'm looking for a service manager. Put that in and it will give you a great job ad. And just keep messing with it until you get exactly what you want. But use AI to write the job ad. It's a lot faster and more efficient. Next, where to post the ads? Everywhere. Use Indeed, use LinkedIn. We post the job ads on 100 boards plus another 250 places. We post it everywhere. So make sure you do that. You can use LinkedIn, you can Facebook, you can use, let's see, all the other places, Monster, use them all. ZipRecruiter, make sure you place it everywhere you can, okay? That's key to get enough applicants. Because I said we go through, 3,000 applicants a week. Next, respond in hours, not days. Do not put an ad in Indeed and then wait like a week to call the guy back. It does not work. It's just like if you had a sale. Somebody wants their air conditioning fixed and they call your company, come back a week later. By then, they found somebody else. Same thing. So respond in hours. We try to respond within minutes of the time people apply to us. That's where we have 95% success rate. You can do really well, but make sure you respond in hours, preferably minutes. That's key because they'll judge your company by how fast you respond to the job ad. Next, selection process. Use assessments. There's a lot of stuff out there that works great. There's assessments I can know more about you than your mom in about 45 minutes you take it. There's psychological assessments, behavioral assessments, there's intelligence assessments, there's mechanical assessments, there's a ton out there. So make sure you choose an assessment that you trust. You can look on the internet for assessments, find assessments that you know and trust, and make sure applicants take those assessments. You can use the applicant tracking system if you want to. We've got a really good one, but just make sure you do those assessments. Next, reference checks. Make sure you check references because you never know about somebody to check the references. Again, we check references on everybody we hire, check at least 3 references, preferably more, but do at least 2 references on everybody you hire. Next, background checks. Background checks are key. They're only like $20 to $100. A lot of companies do them. Do background checks on all your people. We have a 95% chance rate of finding people, and we do that because we do all this stuff. So make sure you, again, place a job ad everywhere, post it everywhere. Make sure that you write it with ChatGPT, respond in hours, do a great selection process, use an assessment, do reference checks and background checks. If you do all this, you'll probably find the HVAC people you're looking for. Or you can haul us. We do all this for like $1,200 a month if you don't want to do it yourself. But if you want to do it yourself, please follow these best recruiting practices. If you have any question, you can call me, Paul Sanneman. I'm the founder of Contractor Staffing Source. It's contractorstaffingsource.com. Just get a hold of me there. I'll be happy to give you any more information you need. Thank you very much and have a great day.